All right, welcome back to Omada. In this video, I'm going to go through managing your employees in the company admin, as well as placing them into departments and categorizing your employees as in departments as well, if that's something you need to do. So to get going, let's go to company admin. And then we have a list of our employees. They've all accepted their invitations. So they've all accepted them and they're a part of our team. Now you can manage their information within here as an administrative person. You can set their staff. And so let's say Jane is actually a manager on the team. We can come in here, click her edit button, come to her role, select manager, and save her items. And as manager and admin, again, you can add some notes that are private. That's all about her. It's like her favorite place is favorite. How about this? Favorite food, pizza, favorite drink, latte. Okay, so you can save any manager notes. You can help her write her profile if you want. If there's a profile URL you want to add, you can do that there as well. These are if she quits or if she's on a leave of absence or whatever that looks like, you can deactivate her account with an Omada. And then within your company account of Omada, she can still log into Omada, but she can't get on your company. But then also you can take this off so she doesn't show up on your website when we get to the point of adding our employees to our website. So you can edit, and then you could also add her picture if she didn't have a picture here, and we'll do that with another user. So a user was saved. And then let's go back into here. And I noticed that Brian does not have a picture yet. Like his picture is not there. So let's add his picture to him. Another AI generated picture. There we go. And default is square. And there's a way that you can change the shape of your pictures within your company, and I'll show you that in another video. That's going to be in your company profile settings section of the company admin. It's going to be right here in this profile card section. Okay, so you can change what the default size, so they're all the same. Your profile pictures are all the same, and you can set the aspect ratio for your company in there. So I just added Brian's picture. And then, I would add their employee start dates as well. They should have set up their birthday as they were creating their account. So you can manage a whole bunch of different things about your employees as a manager within this, in the employees tab. Now, departments. We set up in onboarding this, we set up your locations. So we have one primary location. You can have as many locations as you want if you have different offices. And then we have departments within that location. So our location right now set is Coeur d'Alene, Idaho office. And we have an HR team, executive team, and a sales team. And since I'm logged in as John Doe, the CEO, the owner of this, right here you have managed department users. So as of right now, John is the only person on the executive team. Okay. So if I go to sales, I can select sales, and maybe Sarah and Brian are a part of the sales team, and our HR department is Jane. Okay, so then we can set this sort order as well. So sort order has to do with how these are ordered on the website. So if I take this and I can make this actually, I'm going to go up to 3 and maybe this one down to 2. So the order of how these will display on the website, if you choose to display by each department, it'll have HR and the list employees on the top, and then sales will be on the second level, and then below on the very bottom will be the executive team. So that's how you can set the sort order, and this is all for websites information. So you can actually hover over that and it'll give you what that information is as well. So that's how you have your team and add them to different departments. You can add new departments if you want. And then you can add as many users to each department as you want. Hope that helps. See you at the next video.